Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sennheiser HD 250BT Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them to clear out all of the Bluetooth pairing history. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or pairing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, all of those kind of issues can very often be fixed with this hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to set this headphones up, on a new device or whatever, and you just want to get a fresh start by deleting all of the pairing history and the pairing list off of it. We can do this quite easily. The first thing you want to do is just turn Bluetooth off on whatever devices that that you've used it on, because you don't want this pairing while you're trying to do the reset. And basically you're just going to turn the headphones off. So if they're not already off, just go ahead and press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and then turn them back on. So press and hold the power button for 4 seconds. And when you do that, they should start to blink red and blue, which means they're in pairing mode. They're trying to pair, but they haven't paired yet. And so while they're doing that, you're just going to come in and press and hold this volume up button here for 3 seconds. And then if you do this right, the LED on the headphones should flash purple 3 times. And that means everything's been cleared off. It will go right back into pairing mode, but it will go back into pairing mode with all of the pairing history deleted.